Hey friends, today we are making Fit American Turkey Ranch Wrap 10 wraps, a fresh no-cook lunch that is creamy, crunchy, and packed with protein. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes about 15 minutes, so it is perfect when you want something light, fast, and still really satisfying. Ingredient walkthrough starts now. 2 whole wheat Wrap 10 wraps give us a soft, flexible base with a lighter fit feel than a bulky sandwich roll. 1 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt makes the ranch-style spread creamy, tangy, and high in protein without using mayonnaise. 2 teaspoons ranch seasoning bring that classic American deli flavor with herbs, garlic, and onion in one quick shortcut. 1 tablespoon lemon juice brightens the yogurt ranch and keeps the wrap tasting fresh instead of heavy. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a little warmth and balances the cool yogurt spread. 1 cup shredded romaine lettuce gives the wraps crunch, volume, and a clean salad-like bite. 6 ounces sliced low-sodium turkey breast make this wrap filling, lean, and easy to assemble with no cooking at all. 1 medium tomato, thinly sliced, brings juicy sweetness and classic sandwich freshness. 1/2 avocado, thinly sliced, adds healthy creaminess that makes the wrap feel satisfying. 1/4 cup shredded carrots adds color, natural sweetness, and a final crisp texture. We begin the prep by adding 1 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt to a small clear glass mixing bowl. This is the creamy base for our lighter ranch spread. Now that the yogurt is in the bowl, add 2 teaspoons ranch seasoning, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper right on top. Stir the mixture until it looks smooth, creamy, and evenly speckled with seasoning. Give it about 30 seconds so every bite tastes like ranch. With the ranch spread ready, lay 2 whole wheat Wrap 10 wraps flat on the butcher block. Keep them smooth so they roll without tearing. Divide the yogurt ranch between the 2 wraps and spread it evenly, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. That border helps keep the filling tucked inside. Place 1/2 cup shredded romaine lettuce down the center of each wrap. Keep the lettuce in a narrow strip so the wraps stay easy to roll. Now layer 3 ounces sliced low-sodium turkey breast over the lettuce on each wrap. Slightly overlap the slices so the protein is spread through every bite. Add the thin tomato slices over the turkey, dividing 1 medium tomato between the 2 wraps. Try to keep the slices in one even line. Next, add the thinly sliced avocado, dividing 1/2 avocado between the 2 wraps. This gives the filling a rich, creamy layer without making it heavy. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons shredded carrots over each wrap. The carrots add crunch, color, and a little sweetness to balance the tangy ranch. Now fold the left and right sides of each wrap inward over the filling. This creates closed ends so the vegetables do not slide out when you eat. Roll each wrap tightly from the bottom up, using your fingers to keep the filling compact as you go. The yogurt ranch helps hold everything together. Place the wrap seams side down on the butcher block and let them rest for 1 minute. That short pause helps the seam settle before slicing. To close the prep, slice each wrap diagonally in half with a sharp knife. You should see colorful layers of turkey, lettuce, tomato, avocado, carrots, and creamy ranch inside. And there it is, a fresh Fit American Turkey Ranch Wrap 10 wrap that delivers the creamy, crunchy, high-protein lunch we promised at the start, with no cooking required. Serve it right away for the best crunch, or pack the half seam side down for lunch. If you enjoyed this quick healthy wrap, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.